Human history is like a long-running contest of ideas, with certain questions keeping us on our toes, generation after generation. Today, let's dive into 7 big debates that have defined our history and will likely shape our future. First, a couple of caveats. I'm presenting these debates as dichotomies, but that doesn't mean you have to pick a side. Think of it more as a spectrum. Also, how you feel about one debate might hint at your stance on the others. But remember, these ideas often travel together in complex webs. Debate #1: Idealism versus Materialism. The pre-Socratics kicked this off. Thales said everything was water, but Anaximander argued for a cosmic force beyond mere matter. Idealism sees matter as a manifestation of something deeper, while materialism takes the world of matter as its starting point. Plato, with his theory of forms, and Eastern philosophies like Hinduism and Buddhism echo these ideas. Debate #2: Rationalism versus Empiricism. Plato pointed to the heavens, Aristotle to the ground. Rationalists like Descartes emphasized reason, while empiricists like Bacon focused on sensory experience. The Renaissance and Enlightenment saw materialism and empiricism rise, but Romantic thinkers like Hegel brought idealism back, stressing emotion over cold analysis. Debate #3: Dualism versus Monism. Dualists like Descartes believed in both mind and matter. Monists split into idealists who saw only mind as real, and materialists who saw consciousness as a property of matter. Rationalism often aligns with these views, allowing for a focus on how mind makes sense of matter. Debate #4: Cynicism versus Hedonism. Originally, cynicism meant living virtuously in harmony with nature, while hedonism held pleasure as the highest good. Even if their paths occasionally cross, they start from different points, with cynicism focusing on virtue and hedonism on pleasure. Debate #5: Deontology versus Consequentialism. Deontologists believe actions are right or wrong by nature. Consequentialists judge actions by their outcomes. Plato's Euthyphro dialogue explores this, suggesting that ethics can be both consequentialist and dependent on durable norms. Debate #6: Essentialism versus Existentialism. Essentialists seek the essence of things, while existentialists like Simone de Beauvoir argue that existence precedes essence. Labels are often artificial, and recognizing this helps us avoid coercion or conformity. Debate #7: Authoritarianism versus Liberalism. Hobbes argued for a strong ruler to prevent chaos, while Enlightenment thinkers championed accountability and social cooperation. Though often seen as Western versus Eastern, both tendencies exist everywhere, shaping our societies. Bringing it all together, these debates show that ideas often cluster into vertical or horizontal orientations. Vertical thinkers lean towards idealism, rationalism, and authoritarianism, while horizontal thinkers favor materialism, empiricism, and liberalism. Understanding these orientations helps us navigate contemporary conflicts. We can learn from cynical critiques of liberalism to strengthen our institutions, or from existentialist critiques to take ownership of our values. Ultimately, the goal is to draw insights from both orientations, growing in wisdom each day. Thanks for watching.